Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Moto G17 Power and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find the system. Then tap on languages at the top and choose system languages. Here let's tap on add a language and find the language that you'd like to apply. After finding, just tap on it, choose the region by tapping on it, of course, and as you can see the language has been immediately applied. Now we have to tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to the very first position at the top. Then tap on change, and as you can see from now on, the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. If you'd like to change the language again, tap on it and hold it and drag it to the first position. Tap on this option on the right, and we've got English applied. Now to remove the language, let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Mark the language that you'd like to delete and tap on the trash bin icon. Tap on remove, and we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.